Howdy folks, Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline. Thanks for tuning in, and thank you for tuning in to a review episode. Today we are going to be reviewing, we're going to be trying out Ulta-Lit's Scent Keeper. Is it worth your time, and how, pray tell, does it compare to Yankee candles? Let's find out. Stay tuned to the end of the episode. Gonna talk about some new merch that has to do with the show today. Did an interview for Christmas in July, for our Christmas in July extravaganza series with John DeCosmo. John is the owner of Ulta-Lit. He does the Light Keeper Pro, the LED Keeper. He does all things Christmas. And he and I were talking, and I was talking about how the conversation got steered that I'm a big fan of Yankee candles. Shout out to my sisters Tiffany and Megan, because they like to make fun of me about it all the time. I'm okay with that, because I don't mind it, because I appreciate quality. And for me, Yankee Candle and Woodwick, which is also Yankee Candle, they give out quality scents. They're a quality product. So he said, hey, that kind of steered us down the road of this bad boy. So John, thank you for sending us a case. John did send these to us. We did not pay $1 for them, but John, to his credit, wants an honest review, demands an honest review, and he came to the right guy, because longtime fans of the show know I don't pull any punches and I give honest reviews. So what do we got here? We got here, let's see here, we got an ornament, a hook, we got another ornament, and we got some spray. So this material, that's probably going to be cork, I bet you. It comes with some instructions. It's got an owner's manual here. Got a couple of hooks. That'll be for your ornaments here. And when we were talking, yep, just goes right in there. If my depth perception will let me put it in there. There we go. Yeah, I hooked it. Yeah. So John and I were talking, and he said that he discovered that when you walk into a house today during the Christmas season, you cannot instantly tell, like you used to be able to, whether that house has a real tree or an artificial tree. And he was describing to me there's something that's going on in the Christmas tree farms, where the Christmas trees that are being sold to the consumer today do not hold their scents as well as they did in the 50s, the 60s, the 70s, the 80s. Something's being done to where you don't know that necessarily when you walk right into a home during Christmas. And this product is designed to solve that. Now, let's find out if it really does. Instruction manual here. Let's see what the instruction manual is going to be. Can't imagine it's too complex, but let's see what this bad boy says here. Let's see, 100% pure fragrance oil. Okay, so it's not watered down. It's 100% oil. That's good to know. Spray the cork material, so it is cork, with the desired amount of fragrance. For a heightened fragrance, spray the fragrance around your home for enhancement. Some ideal places to add fragrance include old potpourri as an air freshener. That's brilliant. I don't use potpourri anymore because it dries out, loses the scent, and you're done with it. You just throw it away. It's trash. It's dried out. But this, that's a good idea for it. Spray over a high traffic rug or upon other household products. Okay, so it's got this little instruction manual, but how well, my goodness, is this going to hold up? Let's find out. And what I will do in the 2, 3, 4, 5, put 5 on there. And what I will do, my goodness, that's hitting me like a force. Holy goodness. Wow. That is powerful stuff. I put way too much on there. Wow. That smells to me instant evergreen, instant cedar. Instantly, I'm walking through, my wife, Jean, and I, we like to go camping. We like to hike. This to me is like we're at a lake, we're walking the trails, we have that dry leaves underneath us with the fresh pine needles down on the ground, we're walking, all that's just kicking up. It's not mildew, it's not mold, because when you go hiking sometimes you get that, it's dry, there's not been a rain in a while, we're taking a walk down the hiking path. A touch of soap. Again, pine needles, evergreen, but a lot of the bark from the trees in there. I'm getting soap, I'm getting bark, I'm getting pine needles, I'm getting fresh earth, I'm getting the dry leaves like it's early fall. The leaves haven't been down too long. So, okay, that is a good scent. I was a little worried it's going to smell too much like soap, which I hate soapy candles. That's just my preference. I don't like it. If it smells like soap, too dominant, nope, not going to buy it. This to me smells clean. I get mountain fresh air, lake air, but in a good way, not like a dirty lake. Like you got like a nice lake right there. But here's my thought process for the review today. Going to do a little differently. As a big collector of Yankee candles, I thought I'd get down a few of my evergreen candles that I have and find maybe one, maybe two that compare to this. So when you're walking in Walmart, which now carries Yankee candles, when you're walking in Kohl's or Gordman's or where have you, or a Yankee candle store, you can say, hey, I watched Christmas on Crestline and Charlie said it smelled like this scent or these two scents. Let me compare that and then you'll know instantly what these smell like. So let me get to that real quick. So after going through all the candles and trying them all, what I found is this scent smells most like mistletoe. Yep. It has the earthiness, I won't say one granulated sugar, but like the honey scent you'll get sometimes walking through a forest. Has that, which compares very well to this. And this is the balsam fir. This has the dry cedar notes. It has the touch of soap that this has. So these two married are a good match for the scent keeper. So when you see these two in your store, when you're walking around doing your shopping, check them out. And that's what this most compares to of the evergreen and the cedar candles that I have from Yankee Candle. So this right here, I'll put down in the description below where you can get this. You can go right to Ulta-Lit's site and get this as well. Am I going to recommend it? That's the question. Yes, I'm going to recommend it. As a huge fan of scents, this fragrance is so well done. Ulta-Lit, I would be a fan if they started their own fragrance line, because I can see this scent married with a cinnamon. You know, you'll get those pine cones that have the cinnamon. The smell lasts strong for about 2 days, and then it kind of wanes down after about 2 weeks. So I just pitch them. But this scent mixed with cinnamon would be a great house to walk into. It's a great hit you in the face. Oh my goodness, it's Christmas time. Love everything about this house because of these scents. So feel free to start your own scent line. This is extremely well done. I will put down below how long this scent lasts. Does this scent go away in 10 minutes? Oh, I don't think so, just based upon it's powerful underneath me right now. I kind of need to boom, push it away just a little bit. I put too much on there. Is it going to go away in a day? Is it going to go away in an hour? I will put down below when I edit this video how long before that went. Can't smell nothing. Time to redo it. If you get this, go down in the comments below and come back to this video and type in, hey, got it, love it. Hey, got it, like it. Hey, it was okay. Or hey, this is so good, I got it for everybody. So leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you think of this if you get it, and down in the comments below, down in the description below. I'll put down where you can find this at. I don't think it's on Amazon. I think it's probably just on Ulta-Lit. I'll have to do some research on that, but check down in the description below to find out. What is a Christmas show without a Christmas ornament? If you're interested in supporting the show, shoot me an email at christmasoncrestline@gmail.com, and this doubles as a necklace. Pretty little neat necklace. You can also put this on your Christmas tree like it's designed to do. We have limited to 150 of these bad boys. They are very similar to our challenge coins that we had last year. So, but we turn them into ornaments. Got a hold of a company that can do that for us. Pretty neat. These are ceramic. So if you order more than one for you or a buddy, we'll send those in 2 different envelopes. Probably because we don't want them to get chipped or anything. But if you're interested in that, shoot us an email, christmasoncrestline@gmail.com. Also, if you have not watched any of our other Christmas in July extravaganza series, well, shame on you. Where you been? What are you doing? But we have new shirts out. New shirts. You can go to teespring.com, type in Christmas on Crestline, and I'll take you to our store page where you can see all things related to Christmas on Crestline's catalog of shirts. You can also go down in the description below, and there's a link there to our Teespring page where you can see all sorts of neat shirts that you can get for yourself. Or ornament Christmas on Crestline, gmail.com. Thank you again to Ulta-Lit for sending me this case of the Scent Keeper, which I will in turn be getting to you through giveaways and through the line of cars that will be out this Christmas season watching our show. This is all going to go back to you. I'm going to save 2 or 3 for myself, but everything else is going to be given away. So thank you very much to Ulta-Lit and to John for sending this to us. I do love her review, and I do love reviewing stuff. That's about it for me today. I'm Charlie. We'll see you in the next video.